Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to use notification prompt in Consistent Cart. This growth tool is built for our customers. As the name suggests, notification prompt is a timely form of in-app messaging that helps user to agree push notification. Let's configure and enable it by clicking this enable button. Notification prompt opt-in are the door to success of your push notification campaign. For your store, as you can greatly increase the chance of driving conversion and engagement if they are encouraged as a user to consent to push notification. By adding a personalization, you're telling the users why they should accept the push notification. Let's save and see how it looks on your site. When a user visits your website, you can see the Get Push Alert is enabled on your website. On the cart activity, you can see that the push notification is enabled, and there has been a sequence of push notification messages sent to the customer.